Yeah, it's your boy Big Ro, HB. Yeah, we're coming to the shit live. Find us on YouTube at SavageZoesENT. Yeah. No. Don't hurt me no more, cause lil' mama caught me in the maze. Money every day, spend it on her like a poker game. Lil' mama got me hypnotized, I feel like a personal slave. They call me Big Ro, B-I-G-R-O, #1 fan. I found this pretty bitch, she got me feeling like a long soul. No love in her heart, I'm about to give her Big Ro. Come on lil' mama, can you tell me how you feel? No love for me, no love for you, baby, we even. Baby, your love on attack, so baby, where are you at? Your love got me, you at. Your love got me trapped. I feel our love is a rap, baby girl, why is that? I feel our love is attached, I feel our love is attached. So baby, where are you at? Big Ro, let me tell you how I feel. Our love under attack like it was shot for the kill. Baby girl, you a thrill. Come on, little mama, can you tell me how you really feel? How you really feel?
My name is HB, your name is hot girl. You're flaming hot while you enter my world. Letting you know that you're the finest. Score the 1 to 10, and I call it average. I'm playing you playing me. I get it in for free. Hotter than the bitch cause you know that's me. But the dick in and then you scream. I don't play cause you on my team. Give it to that's number 3. Your pussy paralyzed cause I went through. Letting you know that you my baby boo. Singing this on Twitter like I'm G.I. Big Papa double school like need the straight high. Girls like me cause I got that money. Throw it in the air and then it coming. Sitting straight line. Vertical, so far baby. And don't you joke.
She said she wanted it, I said I know you do. No love for you, baby, you got me going through things I never did before. Baby girl got me feeling twisted, and I don't know where to go. Girl got me feeling darker than I ever did. No love for me, baby, I'm about to leave you for another chick. Do you really know this game? I spit it harder, man. Girl on my dick, I sweep her off and tell her gone down. That's dirty though, but she don't got no love for me, so I leave her on the side like some wet panties. Girls know me, Big Ro get plenty, but loving and hating, baby, that doesn't make it, baby.
I'm the hottest nigga under the sun. When I put my dick in, she smoke it just like a blunt. I shoot out, Rocket Man. I'm in that pussy, call it a science plan. My name is HB, fucking hoes, that's crazy. Leaving marks on these private parts like delivering the baby. I'm like say go, cause I'm running through. Everybody looking at me like they eyes blue. I fuck so good, she put me in the Hall of Fame. Girls say that good dick, call it the dog of pain. Yeah, it's boy HB, you already heard from me live in the studio. This is my dog Big Ro, man, we had to do it one more time like we all did, like yeah. Look at some on SavageZoesENT, bro, yeah.